Hey, welcome to class. My name is Flo. This is a 5-minute movement practice, more focus on strength. So we're doing shoulder strength and also towards the end, opening the shoulders to hopefully energize you and get you ready for the rest of the day. These short movement practices are helpful if we cannot prioritize or make time for a full 30-minute or 60-minute movement or practice experience or class. So I hope you enjoy this one. You don't really need anything. Just get down onto your mat, or the carpet or the wood floor also works. We start today in a downward facing dog, or inverted V as some people like to call it. Bring the hands down, the feet back, hips up and back. Take a moment to arrive. So walk your dog. Bend one knee then the other. Just feel into the body. Connect to the breath, to your intention for this short practice today. And slow down the movements. A more static downward facing dog. We want to move and feel into the spine. So we start to roll through the spine forward to a plank pose. Shoulders over the wrists. Nice and controlled, slow. And back to down dog. We do 4 more repetitions like this. You can roll into plank again, or maybe upward facing dog. For the next 3, you're welcome to bring the feet wider apart if you decide to do upward dog. Lower the hips, engage the glutes, open the front, bring it back. Last 2, wherever you're at, plank or up dog, roll into it. And 1 more. From down dog, we bring the feet again closer together. Try to lower both elbows down at the same time for dolphin pose. Move the chest towards the thighs, open the shoulders. Keep the forearms parallel to another. From down dog, we again lift both elbows at the same time and come forward to chaturanga. Plank, down dog, and dolphin, elbows down. We do 4 more like this. Shift forward, chaturanga, plank, down dog, dolphin. 3 more. 2 more. Keep the lips sealed. Breathe only through the nose. Last one, dolphin, chaturanga, plank, down dog. And let's release the knees down. Untuck the toes. We bring the hands next to the thighs. With straight arms, press into the mat or the ground. Cross the ankles. Bring the legs forward. We land on the butt, feet down. Hands come behind you. We're coming into reverse tabletop. Bring the feet closer together. And lift the hips up as high as you can. Now we lower the hips, straighten the legs. Almost like a L-sit, but supported. Bend the knees, lift the hips. 4 more. And if you want, as you straighten the legs, you can also lift the feet up off the ground. So you are in an L-sit. And then land, lift up. Last 2. Last 1. We lift and we hold. Lift the hips up as high as you can. Now we tilt the head back and bring the chin to the chest. Lower and lift. 4 more. 3 more. Last 2. Last 1. And we set the hips down, cross the legs, come into a seated position. Sit nice and tall, place your hands onto your knees and close your eyes. We sit here for about a minute. Sit tall. Keep the lips sealed. Breathe through the nose and feel the breath moving in your belly, moving the belly forward and back. And then focus on the air flowing in through the nose with the inhale and out through the nose with the exhale. Just a super short meditation for 1 minute. Slowly blink your eyes open again. Thank you very much for practicing with me today. Good job making time today, even though it's just 5-6 minutes or so to focus on you, to move. And thanks for staying till the very end to take this 1 minute of quiet time with me. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope I see you in the next video very soon. Much love and gratitude.